welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you an updated video from a hair company called Yiroo Hair. I'm not sure if I'm even pronouncing that right. It's either Yiroo or Yiroo. Y-I-R-O-O. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys have not seen the two videos that I posted before, I did do like a Selena inspired type of look where the hair was really long. It had not ever been cut or anything like that. This unit is a flip over wig, so of course literally it's on a dome cap and it's literally just like on my head like this. And I ended up cutting the hair into like a bob, of course, as you can see. I did go ahead and do like a really blunt stacked type of bob. I literally pulled all the hair into one ponytail, which you'll see in the video, and just cut across, and same thing for the bangs. So yeah, this is really cute. I thought that this would be like a really quick and easy type of get up and go type of style, and as you can see, even though the hair is really messy, it still looks really cute. So today's video I was just going to show you how to kind of tame the curls. And I mean, if you're one of those people that want it, you know, but want a wig that's kind of free flowing like this, I have like hair in my face, but where is it? Crap. Okay. If you're one of those people that, you know, you don't mind curly hair looking kind of messy and all over the place and not really planned, then this will be perfect for you. So y'all, to be honest, this is probably some of the best curly hair I have ever had from an AliExpress company. And it's very interesting, like half of me almost was disappointed that I even cut it into a bob, just because I'm like, this hair was like, it's just so pretty. I don't understand, like I'm not getting any tingling. The shedding is literally non-existent. I did go ahead and double up all of the wefts. Even when I, you know, went ahead and cut the hair, I imagined that it would kind of still tangle. Although it's shorter, it should have been easier to manage, but y'all, I'm not getting any, like nothing. Like this hair is perfect, and literally I feel like this would be best. So you know guys, I was telling y'all that I kind of was thinking about doing a big chop, cutting off all my hair and just kind of letting it grow back. I feel like this would be like a go-to style, like doing the flip over wigs, because you're essentially covering your entire head, and because I have it on a dome cap, literally it's tight. So this is not like, it's not going anywhere. I would literally just have to like, I can obviously pull it off, but it's not gonna just like go anywhere with like ease, is what I'm trying to say. So this is really cute, but without further ado, I'll go ahead and just jump into this video. Y'all, this hair is cute. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Sunflower gang, stand up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I'm gonna use to kind of tame the curls. I think I'm gonna end up not wearing it like wet. I think I'm gonna kind of diffuse it just a little bit, and then let it air dry for the most part. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I always take a just a clear water bottle, a spray bottle. You can get this from like Family Dollar, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. Target. You go to Target, you're probably gonna pay like $6, so I suggest going to a Family Dollar or Dollar Tree to get a spray bottle, or the beauty supply store too. So in the bottle I just have lukewarm water, which originally was like, you know, cold or warm water, whatever. And then I did go ahead, I hate when people smack when they talk. Like, what is that? What is the point in that? Anyway. So yeah, so I did go ahead and put some water in here. I actually have some Aussie Moist. This is a 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner. Now this may be a little bit too heavy for some people, so you can totally just use the regular Aussie Moist conditioner inside of the bottle. So because it's a deep conditioner and it's a lot thicker or more dense, I didn't use as much. I probably used maybe less than like a teaspoon of it inside of here, and I didn't measure it out. I just kind of eyeballed it. Rachel Ray, right? But anyway, and then I also took some of my Rust Sensories leave-in conditioner inside of here. I probably used about 2 tablespoons of that inside of the bottle, and yeah, I just filled it up with water. Literally just shake it up. Now what I used to do is melt down coconut oil and put it in here as well. But what I realized with the weaves, I can't treat it the same way I treat my like natural hair and kind of over moisturize, because as you can see, the luster is still pretty and the hair is not even like, yeah, like I mean the hair, to me, I'm doing this detangling, but honestly I would wear this out just like this and not even think twice about it. But yeah, I hope y'all like my makeup today. I actually use what is this called? Is it Trophy Wife? whatever, the Fenty Beauty. So I'm gonna be doing a makeup video on that too, like a full line, but disregard, y'all, I'm all over the place. Anyway, so yeah, I just have this in a water bottle. I'm literally just gonna go through, spray the hair, kind of wet it down. I don't think I'm gonna completely saturate the hair because I like the volume up under here. So you know, it's up to you how you want to do it, but I do like the volume around my face. So I'm more so gonna kind of tame the curls towards the top and my bang area and around the back. So yeah, you see what I mean. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna kind of speed this portion up just so that I'm not like sitting in silence. But yeah, so let's get started. And I'm just gonna work on one side at a time, y'all. My arm is gonna get so wet, but this feels already, just with all the conditioning properties, it feels really, really good. And as you can see, the hair is like going back to its natural state with no problem. Not that I had ever blown it out or anything like that, but it looks really, really good and it's really soft. I'm just gonna work on one side at a time, just so that I'm not like soaking wet sitting here. That would be kind of weird. So yeah. Now, depending on the look that you're going for, you have the choice to literally finger detangle, where as you can see, it kind of separates each curl, so when it dries, it's still kind of all over the place. Or you can actually go ahead and spray down the hair and then take a nice paddle brush. I'm just using this one. I usually use like a square type of paddle brush, a lot bigger than this. But yeah, you just take a brush and literally comb through the hair. You see? Just like this. Okay, clearly I got some pieces that I needed to cut off. But anyway, just, oh yeah, I do. So apparently when I cut this bob, I still was missing some long pieces. I guess I'll find out now. I haven't been really like detangling it. But anyway, so yeah, if you feel like you are running out of water, or it's not as wet as you need it to be to really get through it, go ahead and just wet it up a little bit more. And you literally just go through the hair. And like I said, I'm not looking to go all the way down to the inside of the hair, just because I did like that volume. But as you can see, and you literally don't want to rake through the curls after you do this. I mean, you can kind of scrunch them up a little bit, but even that's not necessary. This hair is so pretty. Do y'all see that? So imagine this if I would have kept it long. Alright, so I'm going to start to work on the other side, and then the last will be my bangs, just because it's wet and it's just going to get on my nerves. So I said I was going to speed this up, and here I am talking. Wow. Alright guys, so now that I'm looking like freaking Lionel Richie, would it be Lionel Richie? No, Rick James. Oh my god, I do kind of look like Lionel though. Can't even lie. Comment below if you agree. Actually, don't comment that below. You're not loyal if you comment that below. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to these bangs. Let me see. Oh god. Okay, so go ahead and expose the forehead, y'all. Oh my god, I got a big forehead. Okay, so anyway, this is just how much hair I did cut out for the bangs. So instead of spraying this directly on my face and messing up my makeup, just gonna spray this just like this. And I don't want to go too crazy with the water because I'm not trying to be here all day diffusing this freaking hair. Alright. Alright, so usually I'm actually just using a Revlon blow dryer, but anyway, you use whatever you feel. So yeah, my mom actually bought me like a diffuser that's supposed to be universal for blow dryers, but it doesn't even make sense because it has never fit any blow dryer that I've ever had. But thank you, Mom, thank you. Anyway, here's the actual diffuser. You see the difference? This one's a lot smaller, this one's bigger. But anyway, so yeah, this is what I'm using. I am clumsy. What's happening? Anyway, just pop this on. It shouldn't be that difficult. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So the goal is to literally pick up the hair just like this. And what it does is allows it to dry. So essentially that's what I'll be doing. Releasing it, it should pick up, be dry, and yeah. So I would say that this hair is probably about 80% dry. I only did this, actually a little less than that. It's probably 75% dry. This side is not as dry. Actually, let me get this together. Alright, so now it's about 75% dry. And so of course I'm going to let the rest just air dry because like I said, I do still want a little bit of volume to this, and I just kind of want it to do its own thing. So this is going to be the more tame version of this hair, and I feel like it's like Little House on the Prairie, especially because I have on this like dress. If you guys have not already seen, I did a clothing haul. I believe this is from Forever 21, and so yes, it's so cute. Look at the little, it's giving me like Solange vibes. Do y'all see that? Bam, we're cute. So anyway, I feel like this is so spring and so me. Maybe the like hippie type of vibe that like I imagine myself to have that never really comes off because my face is kind of like glamorous. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is just a really quick, it probably ended up being a lot longer than what I expected, but anyway, just a good way to really show you how to detangle your hair and also just kind of style it and get it to do what it needs to do, and so it's not so messy. So how to really just kind of tame that curly hair. This is actually like I said, it's a wig, so you can technically use these techniques for your real hair. I don't know how you feel about the heat option, but of course, you know, it's giving me that Tiara, is it Tiara? No, Tamara Mowry vibes. I think she was wearing her hair like this for a while. I'm not sure. Anyway, just rambling at this point, and I'm still smacking. So as time goes on, of course, the hair will get a little bit bigger, which of course I appreciate. And because it is a flip over wig, I can literally pull these bangs back. Some guys, you know, some of you guys don't mind showing your eyebrows, especially if you took I can't talk. Especially if you took as much time as I did trying to get these things filled in. But if not, then you could just hide them for the day. Totally scissor vibes, I guess. Anyway, I'm somewhere in between. So definitely thumbs up this video. Leave your comment below with a sunflower emoji. So I already had 3 winners so far, and so I've already sent out those gifts. They're really cute. I ended up sending out like I believe it's a Fenty like lip balms, not bombs, but what is it called? It's her lip gloss, and then the actual like red one too. I cannot think of it right now. Anyway, those are the gifts that the winners got, and so if you haven't already, make sure that you join and enter that hidden giveaway in the comment section. All you have to do is comment below sunflower emoji, and I will randomly select a winner on each and every video. Do not forget. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, Yiroo, for sending me this hair. I love it. Definitely in my top 3 curly hair. Literally probably #1 as of right now. But yeah, we'll see. I love it so much. Stay pretty. See you in my next video. I'm so extra today, y'all. What is up? Anyway, I hope y'all love this because I love this. Comment below. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.